y'all, I am so nervous. I'm on my way to the dentist. I hate the dentist. Hate's a strong word, but I have a strong dislike for going to the dentist. Today is like easy work though. I got my cleaning last week. I have a few fillings that I need, and I'm also in the process of revamping my entire smile. Like the black fillings in my mouth, or gray or silver, whatever color they are, I want them removed. My dentist is like, that's just an insecurity because there's nothing wrong with them. But I'm like, yeah, it's cosmetic for me at this point. But I'm almost at the dentist. I got my stress ball. I'm not gonna claim a bad day, even though I got stuck in the elevator on my way here. But it is what it is. We are arriving now. I'm so nervous. I'm a little bit late. Hopefully they're not like, I think they give you a 15-minute grace period, and I'm 3 minutes behind right now. So wish me luck, and I'll see you guys when I'm done. I survived. It was cool. I didn't freak out today. I do have to go back on the 6th to get more stuff done. This is going to be a process. I probably won't be done with all of this until probably my birthday, but that's good because this is a gift to myself because it's something I've been wanting to do for so long. But he fixed my chips, and honestly, they look better than before I even got them. But I love the work. I think he's so nice. I'll put his information somewhere on my video because I think he's really cool. He doesn't want me to do all the things I want to do because I don't need it. He's like, you don't need it. If it's not broke, don't fix it. But I'm like, it looks crazy to me. I just want to be, I don't know. But I'm about to go and knock out some errands for the day and just chill. So I'll check back in with you guys when I have something going on. Good morning, Shamley. Happy Tuesday. Oh my God, y'all. I woke up and hit the ground running this morning. I have such a busy day. Let me tell you guys, I'm going to I was gonna say Braves. I gotta get out of Atlanta. I'm going to an Astros game tonight, right? So I go to Walmart yesterday to buy me a jersey because I know they typically have like cheaper jerseys for kids. Boostin' biddies, where y'all at? Because I need this off. So I got to go back to Walmart, get this taken off. This is why self-checkout should not be a thing because that is, I checked myself out. I didn't even notice the little thingy on there. And I walked out. So do what y'all will with that information because clearly something was malfunctioning. Okay, I got my coffee. And look at how cute is my mug. It says, "For God so loved the world." Love that. So I typically, literally the first thing I do before I do anything in the morning is I do my daily devotional. So I have this devotional book that's dated. And I feel like when you have dated devotional books, it's kind of, for people who can't really commit, it's kind of hard to like stay on track. I also have these two daily devotional books that are kind of like self-paced. So it's like day 1, day 2, day 3, and it's not like January 1st, January 2nd. So I love that. It keeps me, I don't know. It kind of keeps me on track. So I'm about to dive into all of this, and then we're going to get into the day, which is a lot. I got PR. I got so much stuff, but I'm going to get myself together, and then, yeah, we're going to tackle this day. Okay, y'all, I finally have gotten my life together somewhat. Now I'm going to unbox some of my PR packages I've gotten this month before I hop on my 12 o'clock call. And then I totally forgot I have to go film some content at this hair store because, yeah, they want promo. So it's a pay gig. Excited about that. But let's see all of the PR I've gotten so far, I think. That is all of my PR for right now. I'm about to jump on a work call. Then I gotta go to Walmart to get my alarm thingy taken off of my shirt. And I think that's it. So let's hop on this work call. Gosh, he's so on time. For some reason, work just got crazy busy out of nowhere. But I did knock out 2 things, which was great. So I don't have to worry about that. And now I got to go to Walmart and take back this jersey. Well, not take the jersey back, but my freaking jersey that I'm wearing to the game tonight, I'm going to an Astros game, has a sensor on it. So I got to go get that taken off. I still need to do my hair. It's looking like I may have to just do this ponytail. I wanted to do my curly hair, but it is hot, so ponytail would be appropriate. So we'll figure all that out. But right now, the mission is to get this jersey back to Walmart and get back home so I can start getting my life together. In and out. So that was actually on me. It wasn't on them, because I bought this thing at the self-checkout and it did buzz when I walked in. So I was like, that's weird. I don't recall it buzzing when I walked out yesterday. But anyway, we got that done. And now I'm a little hungry, but I kind of want to fast because I want to eat like a pig at this game. But I still have roughly 3 hours. So I'm going to go knock out some more work. I need to edit like 2 videos and then I'll figure out my life from there. Y'all, I am running around like a mad lady right now. This is the outfit. I'm not sure if I want to do the glasses. However, tell me if this is too astronomical. But I have these really cute like astro earrings. That's just probably too astro, right? I think so. So I may just do silver. I also have these really cute like baseball earrings. I think I'm gonna go with these because they're cute. They're still fitting the theme. It's not super astro. I'm gonna show you guys my full fit in a second here. My car is on the way. Oh yeah, I like the baseball ones more. Or should I do silver? Baseball? Let's do baseball. Anyway, here is my outfit. Let me bring y'all over here. I got this skirt from Walmart. Actually, I got this out of the kids section. This jersey is also from Walmart, the kids section again. Everything I have on is from Walmart, believe it or not, except for my shoes, which are some basic white forces, my Gucci bag. I'm gonna go put on my Pelvini watch. These earrings I got from Amazon, and these glasses I got from Fashion Nova. My scent of the day is Louis Vuitton Symphony, and yeah, I'm about to head out. I'm so excited. I'm gonna get some clips of the game. I don't even know who they're playing. I'm just going for the vibes, but I just wanted to show you guys what I'm looking like. I did switch the pony. A little nervous about that, but we ball. So I'll see y'all at the game, y'all. So tell me, we have so much catching up to do because so many days have passed since the video before this one, or the clip before this one rather. I have been doing way too much. I need to sit down. I was actually supposed to fly to Vegas today, and then I missed that flight, so I was gonna pivot and go to New York, but then the only flight that I could get to New York would get me there at 9, which was like, that doesn't make sense, but still, maybe it would have because New York never sleeps. Then I was like, maybe I'll go to Chicago because I'm really craving this jerk chicken spot. I'm now just at home about to get ready to go to dinner at 8, so let's get dressed. I'm gonna pop back on so you guys can see my little fit. I don't know maybe a cute dress. I'm getting ready to go out for dinner and I have no idea what I'm gonna wear. My hair looks crazy. I was trying to do a cute little up-down style, but you know, it's just not doing it. So I'm gonna do my face and then throw on whatever I find, and then we outside. I'm running so late, but here's my little dress. Hold on. This is my little dress that I'm wearing. Where is my phone? Anyway, this is my dress. My place looks a mess, don't mind that. I got a cleaning lady coming soon. And I'm about to head out as soon as I find my phone. But anyway, this is my makeup, my hair. I just threw something together, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. Because I don't plan on doing too much. So as soon as I find my phone, I'm gonna head out and I'll check back in with y'all whenever I check back in with y'all. Okay? My bathroom looks a mess, but I'm getting ready to head out to Lagree. I just got on this simple set from Gymshark and my what do you call these? Nikes? I forgot the name of them. And yeah, I got my grippy socks on. Gym bag is packed. So excited. Vicky and I are doing a sister sweat today. So I'm running late and I'm going to catch you guys in the car. We are headed to Lagree right now. My class starts at 6:30. It's 6:13. I'm rushing. I need to check Vicky's location and see where she is. Let me see. It says I'll get there at 6:20 and we're supposed to be 10 minutes early. So boom. I can't believe I'm on time. But I wanted to ask you guys, like, what is your like get ready song, go to the gym song, go out song, just like what song? Because honestly, I'm not even gonna hold y'all. Renaissance album, Beyonce, day in, day out, through and through, like hard day, easy day, bad day, good day, I'm blasting that album. I don't know, that to me is one of her best albums, because I don't know, it feels like we all need a rebrand every now and then, and I think I'm in that era of life where I'm rebranding and finding myself, figuring out myself again. But it's such a beautiful day outside. I'm about to go and kill this workout. I'm gonna try to get footage of the class. I know that's a bit iffy sometimes, but if not, I'll for sure give you guys a recap. I'm working out with Katie today at Form here in Houston, so excited. All right, I'm gonna call y'all back. I just left Form over here in Houston, Texas with Katie, my very first Lagree class. And when I tell you, I might be obsessed. I gotta stop being so irrational though, because one time I went to Hot Works and did like hot cycling and I signed the membership immediately. So I'm gonna probably take one more class and then decide if this is something I want to add to my routine. I do feel so good though, not gonna lie. However, tell me why Victoria is the reason I'm here and she missed the class. But I think I did enough for the both of us. I'm about to go home, shower. I might go have a movie night with a friend, and then I don't know, get some food or something. But I had so much fun and I feel so good. Good morning. I don't even know what day it is on this vlog, y'all. I've just been trying to do as many things as possible and record them so I can just show you guys what my typical day-to-day looks like. I'm actually on my way back to the dentist. Oh, and I forgot my stress ball again. At this point, I need to start leaving my stress ball in the car because I need that. But I did get my headphones, so now maybe the drills won't bother me as much today. But it's raining cats and dogs right now, and I have 5 minutes until my appointment starts, but I'm looking pretty good on time. I'm gonna see if I can get some content today while I'm at the dentist. I am about to turn into the dentist now, and I'm scared. That was torturous. I didn't even want to record because my dental anxiety is like the worst. Like, look at me, I look crazy. Dental work is so expensive. Like, I feel bad for people who don't have dental insurance, because what? That is crazy. But I'm gonna stop talking now. I'm gonna go home and lay down for a bit and just think about what I've done. And I'm so hungry! Oh my god! It is Friday and my girl Jasmine is about to come over and we're gonna do a cute little paint and sip, and I'm gonna put together a little charcuterie board. Very small charcuterie board. I'm so excited. I haven't seen Jasmine in like, I want to say since we went to Polo. So she's bringing all the stencils and paints and things, and it's gonna be so much fun. I just finished my charcuterie. So cute. So cute. And I also have, yum. Jasmine's here, everyone. Beyonce is here. She's arrived. And we're about to paint and sip. Sip and paint? Or is this guy naked? Where? On the balcony?
Oh.
Okay, we are about to paint and sip and wait, do we have like canvases to like paint or
No, literally,
they're pre
yeah.
or we're doing it the design?
We are doing the design.
Okay.
I have a surprise.
Oh God.
That
Okay.
I would like us to like do together. I bought some cute stuff and I want you to be able to do it.
Okay. All right. So we're gonna set up the food and drinks, and I'll let you guys see that, and then we're gonna paint and just be in the moment. Okay.
It's not even that big of a deal. Now I feel dumb. Okay.
Right.
Okay, ready?
I'm ready.
We're gonna do Virgo canvases.
Oh, I love that. Virgo season is literally right around the corner.
We got
Oh, this is so cute. Aw. Wait, so, oh, that's cute.
So wherever you want your Virgo V to be, and then we create whatever masterpiece around it, but it'll have a 3D element.
Masterpiece.
Yes.
For sure.
We are all about 3D elements. Bring it to life. Bring the Virgo-ness to life.
Oh, I got this. I got this. This is a big board. Oh my gosh. Yummy.
This part.